So we're now going to transfer inventory from the main bar to the pool bar before we start our day. You might notice now that you have created main inventory store restocks, that when you click on that inventory count report, it now shows these items and what store they're in. We'll explore this report a little bit later. To make transfers, you go from one store from which you want to make the transfer and make the transfer to the destination store. So once you're in this inventory store view, you have 4 options on each item. One is transfer, which we'll explore now. The other one is recount, enter shrinkage or spoilage, and the other one is a restock. The difference between these are just convenience methods to operate the inventory of this particular store. So say, for example, there was a mistake and we needed to do a recount, and there actually wasn't 120 beef patties. There was actually, fewer. So you can just enter the actual count and it will create the adjustment for you. We're not going to do that right now though. Similar here, you can enter shrinkage or spoilage. So say a couple spilled or they're gone bad, you can enter the number of patties here that you're entering as shrinkage. We're not going to do that right now though. Similar, you can make a restock directly in this menu if you want to. Number of packs that you're restocking. So now we're going to start making some transfers. We're going to focus on the beer and the tequila because the pool bar will only sell drinks. It doesn't sell food. So we say transfer. The destination is the pool bar, and we're going to transfer, say, 24 bottles. So again, this is now in serving, so 24 bottles. We create that transfer. The pool bar also sells margaritas, so we're going to need some tequila for that. So we transfer to the pool bar. Again, this is in milliliters in serving unit of measure. So say we're going to transfer 2 bottles. It's 1,500 milliliters. Create. So as you can see, the inventory store of the main store is depleted by those amounts. When you click on the pool bar now, you can now see those amounts here. If you now look at the inventory count report, it now shows all the inventory across all the stores. You can expand this menu to show more information, like your total adjustments, decreases, adjustment increases, how many transfer ins, transfer outs, how many restocks, and how many depletions. Depletions are when items are actually purchased and then inventory is depleted according to the recipe. So it says amount in procurement and also gives you the monetary value of your inventory as well. Collapsing it simplifies the view to reduce the individual columns for the individual types of transactions. You can also filter by which inventory store. So if you want to look at your count sheet for just the pool bar inventory, you can click that and click filter by store. You can also look at a specific item, like Modelo bottles. Now this shows you have 9 in the main inventory in terms of cases and 1 case in the pool bar. Click on the next video where we'll start showing you how purchases reflect in inventory deductions.